This is the Precalculus Fall 2016 ACP Preview Problem 5. This is a domain of a rational function problem. What is the domain of the function f of x equals x over x squared plus 3x? And I could have saved this for, I wanted you to be able to do this without a calculator. A calculator might help you on this one, or it might confuse you. The thing about a rational function, you know you have a discontinuity if you have any place your denominator is equal to 0. And so in this case, we know that x squared plus 3x, which is our denominator of this rational function, cannot equal to 0. And then just solving this equation, if we take a common factor between x squared and 3x, that would be x. So we have x times quantity. What times x equals x squared? Well, that's x. What times x equals 3x? Well, that would be plus 3. And so we know that x times quantity x plus 3 cannot equal 0. And using the zero factor property, we have x cannot equal 0. And for this other factor, we have x plus 3 cannot equal 0. And solving this one on the right, subtracting 3 from each side, we have x cannot equal negative 3. So those are the key values. So any place that does not have 0 or negative and negative 3, we don't have 0 listed as a discontinuity here. A is off limits. Also, answer choice B. So really now it's between C and D. Well, the thing about it is you have on answer choice C this bracket. Now these brackets are not going to work for this because the brackets would include the negative 3. So if this were truly a situation, you wouldn't even need the bracket because negative 3 would be included. So our answer choice is D. And I encourage you to look at these problems in the packet 5A, a similar problem, and 5B as well. Yes, a calculator could help you on this, but also could confuse you because this discontinuity where x equals of x equals 0 is a removable discontinuity, and so you're not going to see the vertical asymptote at x equals 0 when you graph this thing. You just have to look at the table view. Anyway, as always, good luck, and thanks for viewing.